Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. Moad here with another unboxing, and today that's going to be a Google Stadia Premier Edition. This is basically like a console from Google. It's just a controller with a Google Chromecast Ultra. So as you can see, the specs here are on the side. Uses Wi-Fi dual band connectivity, 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz. Has a 3.5 millimeter headset jack for headsets. Also has USB-C connectivity just in case you want to do any wired gameplay or for charging. Also USB-C headsets. All right. Okay, let's see what's inside. All right, so first thing we see is the controller here. You can see the USB Type-C port on the top. A few buttons here. Your regular controller buttons. Okay. Got your headphone jack on the bottom. Also, the controller doesn't feel that bad actually. It's pretty heavy. It's textured on the back for good grip. And it has a matte finish on the front here. Feels very sturdy actually, it's not bad. Okay, let's see what's under here. All right, so it comes with a wall jack. USB Type-C cable for wired gameplay and for charging. Of course, charger plugs into this here. All right. And the port. Let's see what else it comes with. Let's put this to the side. All right, so see, this here connects to the Chromecast Ultra here. The Chromecast Ultra connects to your TV's HDMI port. One cool feature about this Chromecast Ultra is that it's magnetic. So you don't have any wires just hanging around. You can actually just stick it to the back of your TV. And it's easy to put away. And this right here, the micro USB part, I think it is, I'm not sure. Yeah, it's a micro USB, plugs into the Chromecast Ultra, and this plugs into a power outlet. You can also hard connect the Chromecast Ultra for wired connection if your Wi-Fi sucks. Okay, and let's see what else. Yeah, I guess that's it. That's basically it. So controller here, and everything goes through the Chromecast Ultra here. The power block for it, and the charging cable. Okay. Honestly, I'm not sure how the wired gameplay will work with the controller. Well, we'll figure that out somehow. And as for the controller, it has 4 buttons here. Pretty sure this one here is for Google Assistant. I'm not sure if they have that support yet. Screenshot and video capture here. And pretty sure here just the options and like select or whatever. All right, you got your 4 buttons on the back here, your typical buttons. All right, and hopefully the next video I'll go ahead and connect it and show you guys some 4K gaming footage. All right, if you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead, like and subscribe please, and hopefully I'll have many more unboxing videos for you guys. Until next time, thanks for watching.